I've been getting a lot of phone calls from people about their taxes and homestead exemptions. One of the things I wanted to address quickly is filing for a homestead exemption. What that allows you to do is it allows you to freeze the tax assessed value that the county has on your property from the day that you buy it. I'm running into a lot of situations where individuals are purchasing properties because they're purchasing it off of a person who has lived in that home for quite some time. They've had their homestead exemption. And so because of that, when you have a homestead exemption in Texas, the county cannot increase your tax assessed value, not your monthly amount or your annual amount, but your tax assessed value by more than 10%. And so if somebody has lived in that home for an extended period of time, their tax assessed value when they started is based on a very low dollar figure. And so when you go ahead and purchase that home, I'm seeing instances, we try to avoid this on my end with my mortgage company, where we're going to tax assess it based on what we think the taxes are going to be when you purchase the property. But because of affordability and because everybody's trying to create some sort of fictitious deal, I'm seeing companies that are using the taxes from the current owners. And that tax amount could be extremely low. And then very next year, the tax assessed value hits, the taxes increase. There's lots of people that have owned homes for an extended period of time. People with over 65 exemptions, meaning they're over 65 years old. These tax exemptions are not going to transfer and your taxes will increase. Furthermore, if somebody has a low tax rate and they've been in that home for an extended period of time, they may not have been contesting their taxes. And so the tax assessed value, not the one that they're being charged on, but the one that the county is tax assessing that property at, could be extremely high. But please be mindful when you're looking at things in regards to taxes, how your tax exemptions work, and make sure that you are year over year contesting those taxes, because it's not only going to save you money, but it's going to help when you go to sell your property, because now your tax assessed value is lower for that newer homeowner that's coming through. If there's any questions about anything along these lines, always feel free to reach out. That's what I'm here for. Matt Kirschling, Gold Star Mortgage.